Coffee in Thailand, there are many options. You have the higher end with things like Starbucks, and as we go down gradually you have Amazon, Intanon, Puntai. But in this video I'm going to show you the ultimate coffee hack where you can get the most delicious coffee for a fraction of the price of those retail stores. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Now, I am currently drinking a caramel macchiato. Now this drink at Starbucks here in Thailand would have cost 140 Thai baht. Amazon would have charged me 85, 90 baht for this. This one only costs 40 baht, which is roughly $1.20, $1.30. And I'm sure you'll agree, this is absolutely amazing value for money. Now, I got this from a local seller, street stand, very basic setup, but my God, amazing. And I'm being honest here, this is better than Starbucks, better than Amazon, and a fraction of the price. So my suggestion is that if you are a coffee lover, either visiting or living in Thailand, by all means try the Starbucks, try the Amazons. They are good, but really if you want amazing coffee at an even more amazing price, you have to check out these local sellers. Now, the best part is everything was completely fresh. You saw them grind the beans, make everything by hand. There's no sort of pre-processed items getting used here. This is as fresh as it gets, and I am absolutely blown away by the flavor here. So again, come to Thailand, drink the coffee, but drink it as cheaply as you can, because you might be surprised. Cheapest is often the best. So I hope you found this interesting, but very quick video for you showing that sometimes you don't have to pay a high price to get a quality product. 40 baht here, amazing coffee. So thank you all for watching. Please be kind, leave a like, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you all next time. Chong Gao.